Experience the breathtaking beauty of the Oregon landscape, where mountain ranges meet the coastline and lush forests thrive. Upbeat adventurous music sets the stage for Lily's Oregon adventure. Lily's voice fills the air with excitement. Hey everyone! Welcome to my awesome trip to Oregon. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. Lily pauses at the doorstep, a mix of anticipation and apprehension in her eyes. Sarah and Tom greet Lily with open arms, their smiles radiating genuine warmth. Welcome to Oregon, Lily. We're so excited to have you. Ben and Emily peek out from behind their parents, curiosity sparkling in their eyes. The doorway frames a scene of familial warmth, a beacon of welcome for the young traveler. Lily, Ben, and Emily arrive at Cannon Beach, dwarfed by the monumental Haystack Rock. Emily exclaims, "This is Cannon Beach! It's famous for this giant rock called Haystack Rock," Ben eagerly adds. "And sometimes you can find starfish in the tide pools." Lily, captivated by the sight, whispers, "Wow, it's amazing!" Lily, alongside her new family, begins her journey through the lively Oregon Zoo. They pause, mesmerized by the sight of the elephants. The massive creatures lumber about, capturing their attention. Next, laughter erupts as they watch the penguins. The playful penguins waddle and dive, delighting the children. A sense of awe washes over them as they approach the bears. They stand in silence, observing the bears. The bears move with a power that leaves them speechless. A friendly zookeeper approaches, ready to share his wisdom. He shares fascinating details about each animal, captivating Lily. Lily listens intently, eyes widening with wonder. She learns about conservation. She understands the importance of safeguarding endangered species. Lily looks up, dwarfed by the immensity of Multnomah Falls. Tom and Lily start their hike toward the falls. Tom gestures grandly. Multnomah Falls is one of the tallest waterfalls in the United States. Lily is motionless, completely consumed by the sight of the water. At OMSI, Lily, Ben, and Emily wander through the lively museum, their curiosity ignited by every exhibit. The children manipulate levers and buttons, their faces reflecting intense focus as they conduct miniature science experiments. The domed ceiling of the planetarium looms, promising a celestial journey. Ben points excitedly at a model rocket, his imagination taking flight among the stars. Emily peers into a display case filled with astronaut gear, her brow furrowed in thought. Surrounded by scientific instruments, Lily's eyes suddenly light up, a spark of passion igniting within her. The family arrives at Crater Lake, their silhouettes stark against the deep blue waters. A gentle breeze stirs the scent of pine and wildflowers, carrying nature's whisper. Lily's eyes widen at the breathtaking view, her face mirroring awe and wonder. Sarah speaks, her voice filled with reverence. Crater Lake is the deepest lake in the United States. She shares the lake's ancient origins. It was formed by a volcanic eruption thousands of years ago. Lily finds herself amidst a sea of roses, their colors painting the air with vibrant hues. The roses present a full spectrum of colors, creating a sense of harmony and wonder. Emily's voice cuts through the fragrant air. "Those are my favorite roses." Lily pauses, drawn in by the subtle beauty of the flowers. Lily responds, her voice filled with wonder as she gazes at the roses. I am learning about the art of rose cultivation." Lily arrives at Smith Rock State Park, her eyes drawn upward to the towering cliffs. She watches, captivated, as rock climbers ascend the challenging rock faces. Lily marvels at the climbers' skill and courage, each movement a testament to human determination. Ben approaches, sharing his knowledge. "Smith Rock is a famous place for rock climbing. People come from all over the world to climb here." The climbers continue their ascent. Each reach a dance between strength and precision. From below, they appear as tiny figures against the vast, rugged landscape. Lily feels a surge of inspiration, the climbers' bravery igniting her own spirit. Ben nods towards the climbers, reinforcing their renown. The sun casts long shadows across the park, highlighting the climbers' silhouettes. Lily's eyes reflect the golden light, her determination mirroring the climbers' ascent. Ben smiles, sharing the universal admiration for the climbers' prowess. The climbers persist, their movements fluid and practiced against the stark rock. Lily and Ben stand together, united in their awe of the climbers' courage. Lily steps into the Tillamook Creamery, her eyes alight with anticipation. She moves from station to station, indulging in the creamy textures and rich tastes of various cheeses. Waves of delight wash over her as she savors each sample. Through large glass windows, she observes the transformation of milk into cheddar. She marvels at the ice cream production line, captivated by the churning of fresh ingredients into frozen masterpieces. The air is thick, with the sweet aroma of dairy, blending with the cheerful chatter of tourists. She samples a spoonful of rich ice cream, her expression one of pure enjoyment. The creamy sweetness melts on her tongue, creating a moment of bliss. She watches as workers package the ice cream into containers, ready to be shipped. Lily smiles, appreciating the care and dedication that goes into each product. She grabs a small carton of her favorite ice cream, ready to take the taste of Tillamook home. Lily's eyes sparkle with happiness, ready to indulge in her dairy treasure. Beneath the expansive Oregon sky, Lily and her host family embark on a journey aboard the Oregon Coast Scenic Railroad, their faces bathed in the sun's golden glow. The train rumbles along the tracks, revealing the Oregon coast's grandeur. Tom, the host father, gestures animatedly, weaving tales of the railroad's storied past and the wonders of the region. Lily's gaze drifts out the window, a tapestry of adventure and nostalgia unfolding in her eyes. The train continues its steady course, the sun casting long shadows that dance along the rugged cliffs and sandy shores. Tom shares more stories, his voice filled with pride. Lily's eyes light up as she absorbs the beauty of the Oregon coast. The train whistle blows, echoing through the air. Lily leans back, a smile playing on her lips. The sun warms their faces as the train continues its journey. Tom points out a landmark, his expression enthusiastic. Lily nods, her attention fixed on the view. The train chugs onward, the rhythmic sound creating a peaceful atmosphere. Lily closes her eyes, savoring the moment. Lily approaches the Astoria Column, a monument reaching high into the sky. With determined steps, Lily begins her ascent, the spiral staircase winding upwards. Lily's breath quickens as she nears the summit, each step a victory against gravity. Finally, Lily reaches the top, her eyes widening at the breathtaking panorama before her. The Columbia River flows, reflecting the sunlight in dazzling patterns. Forests stretch to the horizon, an endless green carpet beneath the vast sky. A voice calls out, carrying historical echoes. Did you know, Lily, that the Lewis and Clark expedition explored this very area centuries ago? They were among the first to document this incredible landscape. Lily turns, her expression thoughtful as she considers the weight of history. At Hood River, Lily watches, captivated, as windsurfers and kiteboarders dance across the Columbia River. The athletes carve through the water, a spectacle of skill and daring. Kiteboarders soar high above the waves, suspended by the wind's raw power. Ben appears, his voice full of pride. Hood River is known as the windsurfing capital of the world. Under the vast sky, Lily walks among the painted hills, a panorama of colors painting a landscape of ancient history. Emily shares tales of a world-long past, where strange plants and creatures roam these very hills. Lily listens intently, her eyes wide with wonder as the stories of the Earth's past unfold around her. The layers of time reveal themselves, each stratum a whisper of forgotten ages. Lily reaches out, gently touching the ancient Earth, feeling the weight of millennia beneath her fingertips. Emily points to a fossilized imprint, a silent testament to life that once thrived in this now barren land. Lily kneels, studying the fossil with rapt attention, her imagination conjuring images of the creatures that left their mark. The sun casts long shadows, accentuating the contours of the hills and deepening the sense of timelessness. Emily smiles, watching Lily connect with the history of the land, a shared moment of understanding between them. Lily stands, her gaze sweeping across the landscape, her mind filled with the echoes of the past. The wind whispers through the hills, carrying the secrets of the ages to those who listen closely. Lily and Emily walk side by side, their figures silhouetted against the vibrant hues of the ancient landscape. As the sun sets, the painted hills glow with a final burst of color, a breathtaking farewell to the day. Lily shares an evening with her host family, the room aglow with warmth and laughter. Their stories weave a tapestry of connection, filling the air with a sense of belonging. Lily's smile radiates pure joy, her eyes reflecting the depth of her happiness. Lily feels a deep sense of gratitude. She cherishes each memory. Lily stands in the Oregon landscape, bidding farewell to the audience. Thanks for joining me on my Oregon adventure. I hope you enjoyed exploring these hidden gems. She encourages viewers, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun. The scenic Oregon landscape stretches out behind her, a beautiful backdrop to her farewell.